prison, spirit screaming in bone. Everybody crowned king of a borrowed throne. I'm 131, vomiting dust at the sun. Hate on me forgets what the soul is done. Eyes glued to idols, tongues beating prayers. Every man a god, every god a liar in layers. Corporeal circus, skin acting brave. Souls traded cheap for a digital grave. The shadow says I am, the ego says rule. We exile the infinite for a chemical tool. The endless fun a race for a screen full of noise. We burn the god to sell plastic toys. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. You're me in a mask. Brother cuts, brother calls, the trail attached. Teacher poisons roots, student drinks it like wine. Loving neighbor cough, nobody aligns. Contraction in the chest, holy space composed. Vessel shattered, now we worship the ghost. Sparks crawling gutters, begging to rise. You'd rather be right than heedle the cries. Every word a weapon, every smile a blade. We murder with manners, call it being awake. I'm mad like a son in a house full of lies. You preach unity with predatory eyes. Above the reason flows a river you deny. It feeds the saints and the one who lies. You cannot earn the sun, you cannot soothe the rain. It falls on the lover and the one who stays. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Sermons, prophet selfie. Every screen a gospel of who they hate to see. Student curses, teacher auctions law. Man drags God, they vote for the O's in his jaw. Every sin between fans is a mirror crack. You stab what you are, and don't look back. The hidden wisdom whispers you never left home, but you love the wit in the throne of bone. Fixates correction like a verdict won, while the light just waits where you run from. Holy light surrounds, patient and white. You'd rather bleed than open tide. A stole over honor, crown over dirt, crown in ruins, still loving the hurt. The voice in the metal, ancient and kind. Open your ammo, you're already mine. I'm screaming at blood and mother, at father and sisters and mirrors. Learning your father, I'm not holy, I'm furious for all that me could shake. Cause the endless mercy is a rule you break. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh logic is a cage, a proof is a bluff. We drown in opinions, allergic to grace, stalling hatred, truth with a holy face. Watch far for prayers, but a million boys are raised to bear the peace up. And then days, the creator isn't day. He floods the field, tame light on the wall, and then the shield. I hate this neat war, it's so disease, where mercy is weakness and rage is being freed. I'm 131, climbing from the dark, teaching monsters to breathe in this drowning dark. You don't heal the world by proving you clean. You heal by loving what shouldn't be seen. The end just doesn't ask who's to blame. It keeps whispering through the flame. One